add ShopPay as a payment option in your Shopify store, follow these steps. Access payment providers. Log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings and then Payments. Enable ShopPay. Scroll down to the Accept Payments section and locate ShopPay. Click on Activate or Edit next to ShopPay. Review ShopPay settings. Review the settings for ShopPay, including transaction fees and currency conversion rates. Customize the settings as per your requirements. Enter ShopPay credentials. If you already have a ShopPay account, enter your credentials to link it with your Shopify store. If not, sign up for a ShopPay account. Save changes. After entering the necessary details, click Save or Activate to apply the changes. This will enable ShopPay as a payment option in your Shopify store. Test ShopPay. Perform a test transaction using ShopPay to ensure that it's working correctly. You can place a test order and complete the checkout process using ShopPay to verify its functionality. Communicate ShopPay availability. Once ShopPay is successfully added, communicate its availability to your customers through your website, emails, or marketing materials to encourage its usage.